Hi, good morning, guys. Let us check out Sandmeyer's reaction system. Right? Sandmeyer's reaction is important naming reaction in organic chemistry. The general reaction is it starts from aniline. So aniline, when treated with NaNO2 HCl, or we can have HX here, that gives rise to benzene diazonium chloride N2 plus Cl minus. This in turn, when treated with CO2, X2, whatever it may be, chlorine or bromine. This gives rise to a haloride, right? A haloride. So this is Sandmeyer's reaction in short, right? Aniline, when treated with sodium nitrite and HCl, gives benzene diazonium chloride, which in turn treated with cuprous halide gives a haloride. So this is Sandmeyer's reaction. Here, the most important part is the formation of nitrosamine here in this NaNO2HCl and the formation of benzene diazonium chloride. Right? So let us go in detail with that. Let us go for mechanism. So what we have taken here, NaNO2HCl, NaNO2 plus HCl, right? So this gives rise to HNO2 plus NaCl, right? So this is called nitrous acid. Nitrous acid. This is called nitrous acid, HNO. This is the main part formed in the reaction, and this forms a nitrosamine, right? This reacts with the aniline here. So let me write the reaction here. So let us take aniline. NH and H, there is a lone pair of electron. This is aniline. This reacts with the nitrous acid, that is O double bond N OH. So this is HNO2. This is nitrous acid, right? Here, what happens? We are having a HCl here, acid here. So the HCl provides a H plus ion here. So there's a H plus ion. The oxygen provides one of its lone pair of electrons to make bond with the HCl. That gives rise to O double bond N O positive because it has given the electron here and H and H here. Now we can understand there is a Levy group formed here. So what happens? This positive charge takes away this electron and moves as a Levy group, right? By leaving the nitrogen positive. This gives rise to O double bond N plus. Then the oxygen will be having its lone pair of electrons. So what happens here again? This oxygen gives its lone pair of electron. That gives rise to O positive triple bond N. And again, this goes on. So this is called nitrosamine. This is called nitrosamine. Nitrosamine. Right? So this is a reacting part here. That is, the HNO2 forms a nitrosamine. The nitrosamine is becomes stable by the resonance, right? So this nitrosamine reacts with this aniline. Let me write here. This reacts with O. It has lone pair of electron plus double bond N plus. Right? What happens here? This nitrogen gives its lone pair of electron to this positive charge to make a bond, and then that gives rise to that is N H H. Here the nitrogen has made a bond, right? So This nitrogen acquires a positive charge, double bond O. Got it? Double bond O. This is what formed. So now what happens here? The back bonding occurs here. Now, by using a base, this H plus will be removed and these electrons will be back bonded to the nitrogen like this. At the same time, what happens here? This oxygen pulls away its electron and becomes negative. Let me write like this. Here, so N, H, the nitrogen still acquires a positive charge here, and double bond N, and here O minus. Got it? So what happens here? In order to quench the positive charge, the nitrogen pulls its electrons here, right? And this becomes H plus. Now it will become as H plus. So this H plus gets its electron from the oxygen. So now it has become, this has become, that is, N. The positive has been nullified by getting the electrons. Double bond nitrogen and here OH. So the positive and negative nullified, it got its electron. Right? Now what happens? The H plus comes in contact here from the acid. So oxygen as usual gives its electron to the H plus and forms, right? That in turn forms, that is O, N, double bond N, O, H, H, the O occurs a positive charge. Right? The O occurs a positive charge. So here a good leaving group is formed here. So it takes away its electron and leaving the nitrogen positive. That gives rise to N, double bond N plus. Got it? Plus H2. So this nitrogen has its lone pair of electrons. So what it does? It gives out its lone pair of electron here, and that gives rise to N plus triple bond N. So this is N2 plus. This is N2 plus. Right? This is N2 plus. Now when the Cl minus reacts with this N2 plus, so it gives, that is N triple bond N Cl. N2 plus Cl minus. So this can be written as, this is what the benzene diazine chloride we are writing as N2 plus Cl minus. So after this what happens, the regular reaction takes place. That is, this N2 plus Cl minus, N2 plus, that is the benzene diazine chloride, when it is treated with Cu2 Cl2, it gives chlorobenzene. When it is the case of Cu2 Br2, it gives bromobenzene, right? So this is called Sand-Meyers reaction, one of the method of preparation of haloring. Got it? Comment if you have any doubts. Thank you.